morning, getting ready for my first 100-mile bike race. It's a little bit after 6. Actually, time to get going, but gotta get my quick breakfast in. It's gonna be a long ride. Make a little bit of a mess, but I don't care. Turn it around so everybody can see what I'm shaking. I'm gonna whisper. Turn it around so everybody can see what I'm shaking. That's usually what I do every morning. But hey, good habit to keep, and it'll keep me good during the ride. This, by the way, was a gift from my 2 oldest children, and it's quite comes quite handy. Extra shake and a drink. Yeah, I'm ready to go. Thanks, Mom. All right, get my jersey on. Got my number on the back. Feel like I'm in college getting ready for a track meet. Got to coordinate with the Yamin. Ready to go. All right. Rest stop number 1. Woo-wee! It was moving. Everybody together. 3rd rest stop. I missed the 2nd rest stop, or I missed video on the rest stop. Legs is cramping with every step. I need to go to sleep to get my bike. This is what 80 miles look like. I'm putting my helmet on backwards. Didn't even feel the difference. Whew. $95 miles in. And I've been on the side of the road for the last 10 minutes with cramps. Oh no, I'm good, thank you. The people have been awesome, especially I was laid out on the ground. Definitely was not being dramatic. Butt locked, inner thighs locked, calves locked, toes locked, quads locked. My whole lower body was locked in a straight line. Couldn't bend anything. Just relaxed for, it felt like an hour. And an hour wasn't enough. But I got 5 more miles to go. So yo, if this joint take me 5 miles an hour, I'm gonna finish. Ah! Just finished
my first 100-mile bike ride, and I do not feel good. Not one part of my body feels good. Maybe my brain feels good that I finished it. But other than that, my whole body part hurts. I think your body parts hurt for me. Oh, I ain't never gonna say I ain't doing this again. But man,